friends, welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. So I look like this. I had a pool party last night for my little kiddos at for my T-ball kids, end of year pool party, and worked from home today, and I'm just still like just all cozied up, and I have not done my hair, and it's a curly mess from swimming with the kids. So and look at this sweet picture of little Nate. He is one of my, Nash. He is one of my kids, and he wanted a picture with me as his coach. It's not gonna come in real good, but anyway, cutie patootie, such a sweet kid. We had a great time. So I have my Stitchfix here. I only have a few minutes, so I'm not gonna be able to try this on today, but I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing and show you the items that I got. I'll come back another day and do the try-on for you, which you'll see right away. But let's get into this box. It just came in. Mine just, I think they ship them, like I sent one back, they ship another one. It works out to be like where I get one once a month, usually. You get your mailer to mail anything back you don't want to keep or doesn't fit. You get your card from your stylist as well as the price sheet. And this is actually a little bit of a heavier box. I did see that there was a purse in here. I think I maybe have missed my preview, or I don't know. There's items in here that I never saw, but I think maybe a couple of these I may have picked, and then she had to add in a couple more, I think. So we'll see. I think I have Desiree too. Yeah, it does. So she, all of this is talking about the items that are in here. It says, whether you're running errands or meeting friends for lunch, the pieces will keep you looking chic and feeling comfortable. Let me know what you think. So I'm going to go in. I gotta let the puppy in, and then we're going to get into here. But here is, my hair. Here is a little bit of the sneak peek, and I'll be right back and we'll get in. Okay, let's start with our little bundle here. And it looks like there's 2 other items in here. So there should be 3 pieces of clothing. So here it is, to give you a little bit. One of these I'm actually excited about because I bought 2, and both of them, one still has the tags on them actually upstairs. I need to sell it. This item that's on top, I have 2 and neither one of them fit. They're too big. So this one is in my size. This is a jean skirt, and it is by JBD, just black it says, but Tatiana denim skirt in a size small in indigo. And I've been wanting a little, it's kind of shorter than my other ones though. This is like a denim skirt, but it's like a mini. So we'll have to try this on. I mean, it's probably fine because I'm short, but we got to try that one on because my other 2 that I have that don't fit me are quite a bit longer, and I kind of wanted them down to like just above the knee. This one's going to be short. Not that I would have worn it to work. It's a going out one anyway, so it's probably fine short. The next I'm pretty excited about. This is the Kaylee Sienna Faux Rip Knit Dress in navy in a small petite. This looks nice for now, and also really looks nice for fall with the colors in this. And I like these warm tone colors. I think they're pretty. And again, it's that faux wrap, and it's on a floral. It's floral on a background. Oops, which I like. So, and this style just typically works pretty well with me. So. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna like that. Okay, and the last clothing piece that I have is by Staccato, and this looks really nice as well. I think this is a top. Yeah, so this is a cute little top. This would look cute with that denim skirt, and I like the material. It's like a really soft knit. So you've got this neat little design, and then you've got these little stripes on the little flutter sleeves there, or cap sleeves, kind of a fluttery cap sleeve, and it just comes down, and it's just a cute top. Like, I feel like I could wear that with a lot. And then in here we have a purse for the summer, and it is a fun, this is 41 Hawthorne. It does have a crossbody on it, and then it opens up, and it's a small purse, not too much going on in there, little polka dotted design, but cute. I just kept a purse though, I kept a tote, so I don't know that I need this, but this is cute. I do like pink purses for summer. I think they're quite fun. So I will show you guys that. And then the last thing is this. Now this is probably not going to be something I keep for a couple of reasons. I have nerve damage in my good foot. that I found out could take 6 to 10 weeks for the nerves to regenerate. That's why I'm having all the pain where I burned my foot. I can't wear anything, like if this was my foot, I can't wear anything that goes over. There's like 2 pairs of ballet flats that I can wear right now. That's it. Can't wear sneakers, can't wear anything right now. And I saw that these were coming. These are also not really necessarily my style, but they do look like they'd be comfortable. I will try them on for you. I'll have to have my Band-Aid on, but I've got these little, they've got like the back here. This looks pretty soft. They look nice. I mean, they look nice. It's just, I typically don't wear stuff like this. And then also with my foot, I'm not sure I'll be able to. But I should be able to at least try them on for you so you can see them on me. But probably not something I would keep at this point. So, all right, so we're going to get those things tried on. And for you guys, you'll see it in just a minute. So hang tight, it's coming up. Okay, friends, this is gonna be a pretty short try on because I have 3 of the items on now, plus the little purse that I'll be holding up, and then I just have the dress. So this top that I'm wearing is hold on here, it is the Staccato Germala flutter sleeve knit top, and it is $39. Super cute, really great price. I'm wearing the skirt, which is just black Tatiana denim skirt in indigo in a small. That's only $34.97. The crossbody bag, guys, is only $26.97. And then I was able to get the sandals on. I have been using a burn bandage on my burn. It's still there, but it's no more pain, no more nerve pain, no more sensitivity. So this is the Market & Spruce Talia Rouge Sport Sandal, off-white, size 7.5, and it's $49. And then the only thing we have left to try on is the Kaylee dress, and that is $50. But let me back up and show you. And of course, I have the little purse here as well. I'm going to tilt you guys just a tad. I've got the dog right here, so it's kind of hard. But anyway, here is this, and I've got to move him because I can't show you the sandals unless I move the dog. So hold on, and we'll do that. He wouldn't move, so I just pulled him over, and he doesn't know what's going on right now. So anyway, here is, I'm gonna stand up here so you can see with the sandals. These sandals are kind of fluffy and very, very comfortable. Not really my style, but still kind of cute. And if you don't want to wear heels, another little option, or if you want to have a cute little pedicure, which I don't because I couldn't have anybody touch my foot with the burn on it. But yeah, this is really a cute outfit. I love the whole thing. I wouldn't keep the sandals. They're cute, but they're just not me. I would probably just wear my white like slip-on sneakers with this, or flats. And obviously this does have a long thing. I'm just not taking it out because I don't really need this little purse. And so but it's cute. It's cute for $26. Maybe you can request it. It's a super deal. So, and the skirt fits great, and I love it. And I love the flutter sleeve. These 2 items I really like. I have a feeling I'm also going to really like the dress, the Kaylee dress too. So hang tight, that's coming up. Okay guys, I have this new microphone on. You guys are gonna have to let me know. I just only put it on with this dress, so you're gonna have to let me know if it helps the sound, if you like it, or if you don't. So this is the Kaylee dress. The whole video was done without it except for this portion. So this is the Kaylee dress. It's called the Sienna Faux Wrap Knit Dress. It's a navy, small petite, and it's $50. So let me back up and show you guys this. I actually really like this. I think this is really pretty for the fall season coming up. Super cute. This is cute. This is so me, right? All right, friends, so that is my entire Stitch Fix. Some tough choices. I really love this. I love the skirt, and I love that little top. I would say the skirt and this, I don't know, shoot, I'd wear all of it so much, but like I need the dress and the skirt more than I need the top. But I really love all 3, and the prices are so good. So I've got a lot of decisions to make. I also have zero money right now. Anyway, so that might determine my future with these clothes. But this was a good box, and she always does such a great job. So I have Des, short for Desiree, if you want to request her. Anyway, guys, I'll also have my link down below for you if you are interested in getting your own Stitchfix. I am an affiliate with Stitchfix, so although I've been having trouble with it, so I don't know. Sometimes I put the affiliate link, sometimes I don't. But regardless, you get $25 for, you know, getting a first-time box. I think if you use my affiliate link, if you also go in, they have a big sale going on right now too. You can just go in and buy stuff that's already on sale in your size. I think it is final, but I think it's like 60% off or something. And that does give me credit when you do that as well. So I do appreciate it, and I hope you guys get some great deals. And if you get a Stitchfix or you want to try it out, let me know. Anything that you're not keeping, you do have a prepaid envelope, and you just stuff it in there. And it has a mailer already, your return mailer already on it, and you just put it in the mailbox and you're good to go. All right, friends, so that is it. I will have a couple of pictures at the end with some close-ups of these items, and I'll see you all soon. Bye, friends.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes.